Howdy, howdy. My name is Joseph Graham. My partner is down in Philadelphia said you guys might need my help. And what we do is increase the online presence of local businesses. Okay. So when someone's looking for an engineering consultant, they're going to either ask somebody they know, their inner circle, someone they trust. Hey, do you know a recommendable business? And that's how you get referred by word of mouth. The other way they're going to do this is searching online. And when they search online, they're going to see three top businesses. These are called the maps, the map listings, and then below are the organic listings, right? These organic businesses get 70% of the traffic because for whatever reason they think that they're the best, right? So word of mouth or Google search. And Google is the highest traffic source in the country as of November 18th, right? Second to that used to be Facebook, but now it's YouTube. Facebook is third. Okay, so how do you get onto the organic rankings? And number one is the map listing. So this map listing builds trust with the search engines and it builds trust with Google and the public, right? And there's a lot of information that is missing from this. Remember, Google is the highest traffic source in the country. Right? I know a lot of other businesses, they're like, well, we got Yelp, we got BBB, right? We got a yellow page. That's fine, but those aren't the highest traffic sources in the country. This is. So whenever you do have this thing optimized and you do get reviews, it starts to build trust because 74% of searchers, remember, the top three get 70% of the traffic. 74% of that 70 check reviews before making any purchasing decision that is. So how do you get there? Map listing, citations, content, backlink. You're going to get citations using the same name, same address that you used to set this up, and the same phone number. Now, this is called your NAP info, right? Your NAP info. Putting this NAP info on Facebook, local chamber of commerce, and hundreds of other different places are going to give you a citation. Content is the words on your site. It needs to be authoritative and it must be relevant, right? You want to become the Wikipedia of land surveying. You want to become the Wikipedia of it. So if I just type in land surveying, chances are, yep, Wikipedia's first because they have the most authoritative and relevant content on pretty much every subject. You want to become the Wikipedia of this. So this is really all the content. You want to break down boundary and property surveying. You want to break down topography surveying. You want to break down Alta surveying. Does this make sense? You want to become the Wikipedia of this. So these are the top businesses that rank for that particular service, right? You're ranking for that. And particularly this thing right here, licensed surveyors in Philadelphia. So whatever this is, this has the most authoritative content. Give us a call. Look, they're giving them the biggest space on the page. They have literally the biggest space besides the questions, right? And when you do answer these questions, guess what? You start becoming the most authoritative. Frequently asked questions. Break everything down. Become Wikipedia. Content, backlinks, votes from other sites. Now, backlinks push anything that you have online. Anything you have online has a URL, that www.whatever.com, you know, that's a URL. Anything online can get backlinks to it. Okay, so imagine that ranking on page 1 is a race, your website is your vehicle. Now, assuming everything else is optimized, these backlinks are going to start giving you juice to move to page 1. Like I said, ranking on page 1 is a race, your vehicle is going to be your website. These backlinks is the fuel. So you don't want to use 87 grade. You want to use jet fuel. You want to use NOS, right? You don't need much of it, but when your backlinks are authoritative, they're relevant, you don't need as many, but they still give you that kick, okay? Now here is a heat map. So anybody searching for a engineering consultant in a specific area is going to get different results. So in particular in Philadelphia, in the heart of Philadelphia, when someone is searching for this, you guys rank number 2, right? Like, these are the top 3 businesses. This is what they're going to see. There's not a lot of people, in all green that I've been looking at. I've been looking at a lot of different companies, and like really nobody's is green. So anybody on that, like in Camden or Cherry Hill, they're gonna see who for top 3. They're gonna see MVP, Polaris, and Tata. Tata. It's Tata. Right? But it is possible to dominate all of this. Make it all green. I'm gonna show you what all green map looks like. Not these guys, but their competitors who we made all green. Let's look. These guys right here. It's a lot of green, especially when we move it down here. So we looked at their particular one, their map listing, Philadelphia Foundation Repair. It's all green in all their service areas, right? So anyways, my name is Joseph Graham. I'm with Upshot Solutions, and I hope this was pretty informative. Thanks for watching.